Hi guys, to use one of Ollama local models and connect it to n8n, first we are going to search for ollama.com in any browser you like. And then we are going to hit on the first link. Let's go and hit on download. Let's choose our operating system and hit on download. I'll go for Windows now. Until it's downloaded, let's search for a model we can download. I'll go with V3 Mini, which is lightweight and fast. Now run the installer. Once downloaded, it will open Ollama. Let's go and search for command prompt. Run Ollama _V to check the Ollama version. You can see it's downloaded successfully. Now to download the model, copy this Ollama run v3 mini and paste it. You can download any model by running Ollama run, then the name of the model. You can copy it from the Ollama website. Now it's downloaded. Let's try something like tell me a funny story. Hit enter and you can see it's working successfully. If you want to end it, just type /by. Now, if you want to see all the models you have downloaded, run Ollama list. You can see here all the models. If you want to run Ollama again, Ollama run, the model name, you can copy it from here and just paste it. It's working great. Make /by to end it. Now to connect to n8n, you don't have to make this every time. Just search for Ollama and open the app and then go back to n8n and the server will be running automatically. Now let's connect this chat node to an AI agent. Let's give it a brain, which is the Ollama node model, local model. Let's create a new credential. For the local host, if it didn't work with you, change it to this one, 127.0.0.1. It's very crucial. You can see it's connected successfully. Now reload the page so it can connect. Okay, great. See, we have now our model. Let's try it. Let's try tell me a short, funny story, the same previous example. It's going now and it's working successfully. I drop exclusive automations and resources inside AAF, my school community. Join now using the link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.